I called your sister. She said to wait for you. Try getting upset, baby.
Does this look infected to you? Yeah. You better not have rabies. If you have rabies, the dog catcher are gonna have to catch you. Are you gonna play dolls? You don't have a doll. This is Scrum. I made her, but her head is too big. So I pretended Bug laid eggs in her ears. And she's upset because she only has a few more days to...
你嘅已經請罪。
對嘅，我知道。
知嘛？你啱緊需要，仲有識翻有啲某啲嘢，啱啲你本來要
Lilo?
咩？佢啲捉人坐住啊！你狗仔隊喺度啦。
Lilo?
你當然唔存在啦。如果你開始冇存在感嘅嘢。
You better be home. Watch where you're going.
存在感。
Stupid head.
唉，我哋啊嘛，阿坤先啊。
Lilo! Open the door, Lilo! Lilo, we don't have time for this.
You don't want to die.
Come on, Lilo, the social worker's gonna be here any minute. So
我哋啊嘛。
in there.
I cannot. 啊，你得多少分別？啊，多少分啊？
I'm gonna stuff you in the blender, push puree, and make you into a pie and feed it to the social worker. And when he says, this is great, what's your secret? I'm gonna say, love and nurturing. Hi. You must be the,
Stupid head.
Oh, you know, I'm really sorry about that. If I'd known who you were, of course I never would have. I can pay for that.
It's a rental. Are you the guardian?
Yes, I'm Nani. Nice to meet you, Mr.
Buff.
Mr. Bubbles. That's a string.
Yes, I know. Are you going to invite me in? Nani?
I thought we could sit out here and talk.
I don't think so.
Right.
意義冇從來標聽啦，跟住從來上一格語嘅，
啱咩喎？
佢換到你嘅係上一格語。
你係跟住譚一紅嗰啲。
咩話？呢度。睇波節目就係會8點鐘會播去咯。
咩叫數點開入面？
So,
10
lemonade?
年前。
You often leave your sister home alone.
No, never. Oh, well, except for just now. I had to run to the store to get some. Oh,
You left the stove on while you were out.
Chloe! Just a simmer. It's coming along great. Ah,
Found that this
我
morning.
啲嘛。
Lilo! There you are. Honey face. This is Mr. Bubbles.
Nice to
Your knuckles say Cobra. Cobra Bubbles. You don't look like a social worker.
I'm special classification.
Did you ever kill anyone?
Getting off the subject. Let's talk about you. Are you happy?
I'm adjusted. I eat 4 food groups and both wake before crossing the street. Take long naps. Disciplined?
Discipline.
Yeah, she disciplines me real good. Sometimes 5 times a day. With bricks.
Bricks.
In a pillowcase.
Okay, that's enough sugar for you. Why don't you run along, you little cutie?
Yep.